So, you've probably heard the terms alternative energy and renewable energy thrown around a lot, but are they actually the same thing? You know, the answer might just surprise you. Let's break it down.
Okay, quick question for you. Do you kind of use alternative and renewable interchangeably? Don't worry, most people do. But stick with me for a minute because there's a really crucial difference that completely changes how we should think about our energy future.
It's a super common energy mix-up. And while it might seem like we're just talking about words, getting these definitions right is actually key. It shapes everything from big government policies to the simple choices we make every day.
All right, first up, alternative energy. You want to know the easiest way to get it? Just think of it as the big switch. Seriously, it's any time we decide to swap one energy source for a different one.
Yep, that's literally it.
At its heart, alternative energy is all about substitution. It's the simple decision to stop using one thing and start using something else instead. It's just a swap.
And this is where it gets really interesting. Take a look at this. A power plant decides to switch from burning high-carbon coal to using lower-carbon natural gas. That is an alternative energy choice, and hey, it's a good step in the right direction. But, and this is a huge but, natural gas is still a fossil fuel. So it's an alternative for sure, but it is not renewable.
So really, every alternative energy choice just boils down to one simple strategic question. Are we going to be better off with this new energy source, or should we stick with what we have? It's a decision, made one switch at a time.
All right, so that's alternative energy. It's all about the action of switching. Now let's pivot to renewable energy. This one isn't about the switch at all. It's 100% about the source. The definition here is so clear and, honestly, pretty powerful. Renewable energy comes from sources that nature just replenishes on its own. The key phrase here? Natural processes. It's not about a human choice to swap something. It's about where the power comes from in the first place. I mean, just think about it, right? The sun is going to keep shining, the wind's going to keep blowing, and the water is going to keep flowing. These are just natural cycles that are always happening. We can tap into that power, but we can't really use it all up. It just keeps on renewing itself.
Okay, so let's put it all together. This is that aha moment. Alternative energy is about the action of substitution. Renewable energy is all about the nature of the source. See? It's that simple when you see it side by side.
So you might be thinking, okay, I get it, but why does this little difference in wording actually matter? Well, it matters a lot, because understanding this difference shows us the real path to a cleaner energy future. And as you'll see, not all steps forward are created equal. Check out this energy hierarchy. It puts everything into perfect perspective. See, way down at the bottom, you've got the dirtiest fossil fuels. Now, making an alternative choice, like switching from coal to natural gas, moves you up a step. That's definitely progress. But the real goal, the ultimate goal, is to climb this ladder all the way to the top, to renewables.
So if there's just one thing you take away from all this, please let it be this sense. All renewable energy sources are alternatives to fossil fuels, but not all alternatives are renewable. That's the whole ballgame right there.
And just like that, now you know the difference. Hey, if this explainer helped clear things up for you, and you're curious to learn more about the world of energy, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button for Energy Simply Explained. Thanks so much for watching.